For step-by-step instructions and pictures, visit Rav4Gen5.com. This is the 2020 Toyota Rav4 Adventure, and today we remove the door panels, because we can. We start with the cover behind the door handle. Insert the prying tool between the door lock and the cover and pull until the cover is freed. There is no major clips to worry about. There is an accessory that will allow us to replace these with ambient light in the description. Next, we move to the window switch. Insert your tool between the cushion and the back side of the window switch cover. Work your way around until all the trim is popped off. Slide the cover back. There are hooks in the front that prevent it from being lifted up. Press on the tab to unplug the switch. Next, we remove the armrest cover. Start at the slot located at the bottom and work your way around. After the trim holders are popped off, pull the cover forward. There are hooks on the back that prevent it from being lifted up. We unscrew behind the door handle cover and the armrest cover. Use some muscle to pull the panel off. Start at the bottom and work your way to the sides, then the top. More pictures available at Rav4Gen5.com. Once the panel is pulled off, the door handle can be removed. It is held in place by balls at the end of the cable. More pictures available at Rav4Gen5.com. For step-by-step instructions and pictures, visit Rav4Gen5.com.